What's up guys, Josh here of Yugatech, and a couple months ago, Huawei kicked off the year with the release of their most affordable laptop yet, the Huawei Matebook D15. Now, Huawei takes it a step even further with the launch of the new Matebook X Pro. It features a 13.9-inch touch display, a 10th gen Intel Core processor, quad speakers, and a design language that makes for a very portable yet powerful machine. Looking at the device, the Huawei Matebook X Pro looks and feels very premium. It has an aluminum alloy unibody design with a diamond cut trim wrapped around the edges that complements the smooth matte texture of its surface. From the three colors, only the space gray variant is available in the Philippines, which looks very sleek. With a weight of approximately 1.33 kilograms, the new Matebook X Pro is built for professionals on the go. The top of the lid is bare and only features the Huawei logo, giving it a minimalist aesthetic. Looking over at the left, we have your 3.5mm audio microphone jack and two USB-C ports, with one port supporting 65 watts charging. On the right, you can find the standard USB-A 3.0 port and nothing else. Flipping the device over shows the two bottom firing speakers on each side and keeps it simple with the air vent located at the top where the hinge is. Opening the Matebook X Pro will reveal the 13.9-inch 3K full-view touch display with 100% sRGB color gamut coverage and a max brightness of 450 nits. It also has a viewing angle of 178 degrees and a screen-to-body ratio of 91%. You can find the 1-megapixel recessed camera on the keyboard for added privacy similar to the previous Huawei laptops. Here you will also find their full-size 10-keyless backlit keyboard, which is well-spaced and does not feel cramped. Unlike some laptops, you no longer need to hold the function key to be able to change things like brightness and volume. Instead, all you have to do is press the function button and it automatically toggles it for you. Apart from that, we also get a fingerprint power button above the keyboard and top-firing speaker grills on each side. Huawei Share is also present, which lets you quickly communicate between your Huawei devices. Below the keyboard sits a relatively large trackpad with multi-touch. Using it was comfortable and the cursor felt very responsive. The buttons at the bottom are quite clicky, so you won't have a hard time distinguishing left from right. This particular unit is backed up by an Intel Core i7 10th Gen processor, an NVIDIA GeForce MX 250 GPU paired with 16GB of RAM and 1TB of storage. With a 56 Wh rated battery capacity, Huawei claims that the new Matebook X Pro can last up to 13 hours on a single charge. We'll put it to the test and see how the performance and battery life of this device fares in our full review. The new Huawei Matebook X Pro is available in all official stores and is priced at 119,990 pesos. What are your thoughts on the new Huawei Matebook X Pro? Leave a comment below, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, hit that bell icon, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Josh, and stay safe.